amazing cleaning industry innovators and facilities management pros. Welcome to the Dirt on Clean podcast powered by Flourish Media. I'm your host, Thais Graham, and today we're taking a fresh approach to quality control in commercial cleaning and facilities management. Here's the reality. Keeping a facilities clean and running smoothly isn't just about wiping surfaces and taking out the trash. It's about systems, processes, and accountability. Some of the most structured quality control programs don't come from cleaning. They come from industries where precision, security, and compliance are non-negotiable. That's why we're stepping outside the cleaning industry today and bringing in a new perspective from someone who doesn't work in cleaning, but whose expertise in facility decommissioning, compliance, and quality control has powerful takeaways from facilities managers and cleaning professionals. Meet Zackary Beckham, founding partner at Kintarra Tech, a company specializing in IT asset management, secure facility transitions, and operational efficiency. Zach has worked with hundreds of facilities teams, helping businesses manage large-scale building transitions, ensuring compliance, and maintaining strict operational standards. At Kintarra Tech, he focuses on facilities decommissioning and logistics, IT asset management, risk and compliance oversight, process optimization, and digital tracking. While Zach doesn't work in commercial cleaning, the principles of quality control, compliance, and operational excellence are universal. So today, we're asking, what can we learn from industries that rely on extreme precision, high accountability, and tight logistics? And how can we apply it to commercial cleaning and facilities management? Zach, welcome to the Dirt on Clean.
Thank you. I might not work in cleaning, but I work with a lot of facilities teams every day. And one thing that's very clear is that a facility is only as good as the systems keeping it running. At Kintarra, we manage large-scale facility transitions, things like companies shutting down buildings and needing to remove everything, ensuring compliance before lease handovers, managing asset tracking and risk oversight so nothing is lost or overlooked. In every one of those cases, the biggest challenge isn't just getting the work done, it's ensuring the work is done to a defined standard, tracked properly, and verified for compliance. There's multiple stakeholders involved, and ensuring that everyone has seamless communication is important. And that's where the connection to commercial cleaning comes in, because whether you're closing out a facility or managing cleaning operations, the goal is the same. Clear expectations, defined processes, consistent quality control. The biggest mistake I see people making, teams being expected to maintain high standards, but not being given the tools, data, or processes to do it efficiently.
That's a huge challenge in commercial cleaning. A lot of facilities managers struggle with holding teams accountable because quality control is often manual, inconsistent, or reactive. From your experience, what systems or processes could help?
That's a great question. At Kintarra, we found that digital tracking and verification are the best ways to improve quality control. And that applies just as much to cleaning teams as it does to decommissioning projects. Here's how we approach it in facility transitions and how it can work for cleaning. First, it's defining the scope and documentation. Every project starts with clear, written standards for what needs to be completed. Most projects that go wrong are because there wasn't a clear scope or a disagreement on what the scope was. Second is digital task tracking. Instead of relying on manual checklists, progress should be logged digitally and in real time. Third, automated inspections and issues alerts. Any problems are flagged immediately rather than waiting for complaints. And lastly, it's accountability metrics. Every action is linked to a responsible person, making it easy to identify where the problems arise. For example, in a facility decommissioning, when a company vacates a building, we use digital audits to track what's removed, cleaned, and secured, ensuring compliance before a facility is handed back to the landlord. The same concept really applies in cleaning. Instead of relying on spot checks, managers can see real-time reports for completed tasks, reducing errors and improving efficiency.
That's a game changer. A lot of cleaning teams only hear about problems when something goes wrong. So they're always playing catch up instead of getting ahead of issues. Can you share an example where tracking improved facilities operation?
Absolutely. We worked with a client who was struggling with handover issues when transitioning the facility. Their team would finish the job, but the landlord property management coming back with complaints about unfinished work. Obviously, there was issues with the scope and disagreement. So we introduced real-time tracking system where every completed task had to be logged digitally. All the supervisors could see the reports instantly, catching any areas that were missed in real time and making corrections. The handover process became fully transparent, so every party had proof of completion. The results, we had much fewer disputes, proved efficiency, and a smoother handover process. For cleaning teams, this could mean documenting completed work through the digital tracking tools, which reduces client complaints, increasing efficiency, and improves accountability.
Zach, this has been eye opening. I really appreciate you taking the time to share your expertise and help us rethink quality control from a new angle. If you're in the industry and want to learn more about Kintarra Tech's innovative approach to facilities decommissioning, compliance, and tracking systems, be sure to check out the show notes for more details. For more insights on technology driven facility transition and operational efficiencies, visit www.kintarra.com. Want to share your insights on the Dirt on Clean? Apply to be a guest at intelliar.ai/the Dirt on Clean podcast. You are listening to the Dirt on Clean podcast powered by Flourish Media. Until next time, keep innovating and keep cleaning.